day everyone. So before we start, I will introduce myself first. My name is Mary Grace Amalaga and I'm from Hokages Group. So this video is for System Engineering Finals exam. Without further ado, let's start to our introduction. So ano ba pag-uusapan natin dito? So we will talk about our project, proposed project that has a title of Designing a Web App site or slash website for Istalusa Senior High School. So, as of now, they are relying on delivery forms na nag-create ng maraming conflict na nasasagot naman sa research. O hindi na natin itakal yun, mag-focus tayo sa system. So, system namin is website slash app. Pwede siyang website and pwede rin siyang application.
Okay, proceed na po tayo sa methods. So, requirement analysis and explain the requirements analysis. No? So, ang ginamit po nating method is waterfall method. Kaya po waterfall model, ang ginamit po natin is, kasi po sequential po siya. So, kailangan po is magawa mo muna to bago mo gawin yung susunod. So, sequential siya. So, meron po tayong 8 process dito. So, ano yun? Unang-una po is planning. At sunod po is data gathering, nakadepende po siya sa planning. And then, preliminary design, nakadepende po siya sa data gathering. And then, detail design, nakadepende po siya sa preliminary design. And then, development, nakadepende po siya sa detail design. Then, test, nakadepende po siya sa development. And then, evaluate, nakadepende po siya sa test. And then, sa installation po, nakadepende po siya sa evaluate. So, ito po yung waterfall model.
So basically, ganito ang hatian ng trabaho. Si Christian Pescadero, yung nag-umpisa ng planning, na duration is 10 days. Sumunod, si Rico Giampanello, sa data gathering, ang duration niya is 10 days din. Si Kristen Cumilag, siya naman ang gumawa ng preliminary at detailed design. Total niya is 40 days. Si Mary Grace PM Olaga naman ang nag-develop at nag-design. Sa kanya ang development at testing. Total ng duration is 20 days. Sa dulo, ang evaluation at installation is 10 days each ay pinaghatian ni Mary Grace at saka ni Rico Giampanello. Sa installation naman, si Mary Grace at si Christian Pescadero.
Our network model outlines a project duration of 80 working days. Following a strict critical path from planning to installation, this critical path includes all major phases: data gathering, preliminary and detailed design, development, testing, evaluation, and installation, with zero slack at any stage. This means any delay in this task will directly impact our final completion date, requiring careful monitoring to stay on schedule.
So for the flowchart, the system flows begins with the user login and validation, proceeding to the dashboard for add item and to save database functions, followed by search item to display results, and concluding with the option to generate report and export to Excel or PDF. So for the context diagram, the diagram clearly defines the scope of our inventory system at Santa Lucia Senior High School and identify its three main external users: the school head, the admin assistant, and the library staff. It highlights the secure login password access is the mandatory initial interaction for everyone. So for the data flow diagram, the system involves the three primary external entities: the school head, the admin assistant, and the library staff, all requiring a login password to access the system. The internal flow mandates that the library staff's access is secured via an authentication process that necessitates validation by the admin assistant against the user database. Once validated, the system enables the admin assistant to compile report information for the generate report function, while the school head holds the ultimate authority to initiate or authorize the open account process.
Ipapaliwanag ko po ang activity diagram namin. Sa input, i-open po ng admin yung application. Then, syempre, magkakaroon po siya ng process na pag-open po ng app, na automatic na po na check po ng system kung may internet or wala. Kapag offline, i-access niya yung cache data na naka-store sa device. Kapag online naman po, magsisync siya sa server para mag-update ang inventory system. Then, magkakaroon po siya ng output. Yung system po ay maglo-load po yung dashboard. Ready na agad po siya para gamitin, para po masigurado na kahit walang signal sa campus.
Our cause and effect analysis reveals that poor inventory is caused by 4 key issues: irresponsible suppliers with late deliveries, an outdated and disorganized record system, a noisy and distracting workplace, and untrained staff. These problems together create inaccurate inventory. The inventory module serves as the primary interface for product management, designed for immediate access and efficiency. Upon login, it all displays essential product information like the name, category, and the product type. It includes an export function which instantly generates comprehensive report in Excel or PDF forms, addressing the problem of unreliable data and inefficient record keeping.